Title: ɡlÄns, a quick glimpse into the moment. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word glance. To glance is to look briefly or quickly at something or someone. It's a term that signifies a swift yet meaningful observation. Pronunciation: pronouncing glance is simple ɡlÄns with a soft G and a short A. Use in a sentence. For example, she stole a quick glance at the breathtaking sunset before returning to her work, savoring the beauty of the moment. Importance: glancing allows us to capture fleeting moments and details, adding depth and awareness to our experiences and interactions. Conclusion: in summary, glance is a word that encapsulates the beauty of brief yet meaningful observations. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the power of glancing at the beauty that surrounds us every day.